Hi friends, so today we are going to make one of these splatter screen pumpkins. These are all over Pinterest right now, and I knew as soon as I saw it I had to make one. I love how it turned out, so here's how it all came together. I am not one of those crafters who knows exactly everything that you're going to need at the very beginning. I don't have like a list of instructions. The way I craft is I just have a general idea and I like to see kind of where the craft project takes me. So I will leave in the description box below, I will leave a list of all of the things that I have used in this craft project. But first starting out, I know a lot of people have, oh, you're going to need this, 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 and this, and this. And I've done that a few times. And then realized I needed something or changed it up. So anyway, that's how you go. If you just want fun, simple crafts, that you just kind of go with it. And that's how I want you guys to craft. Just, take an idea. You're welcome to take my idea. You're welcome to do it exactly like mine. Or you're welcome just to put your own spin on it. That's the fun of crafting, right? So anyway, I'm going to start with 3 of these Dollar Tree splatter screens. And I have seen several people that have the one that has like a knob in the middle. I don't have, my Dollar Tree didn't have those, which is fine. So I'll just take off 2 of the handles. I am going to take off 2 of the handles. I've got some Dollar Tree needle nose pliers here. I'm going to try to take them off with that. I don't know. We'll see how it works. Again, that's how crafting goes. You just see what works and what doesn't, right? So, but that's what we're going to try. And then I am going to spray paint them. And the spray paint I am using is this Rust-Oleum. It's my favorite brand of spray paint. Satin Rustic Orange. And I chose this color simply because I already had it. Isn't that how craft projects around here work? I chose it because we already had it. If you have some orange, that's what color you should use, or brown or whatever. Lots of different colors. Okay, so let's open these up, and then I may go ahead and try to take the things up, and then we're gonna get to painting. Okay, so I ended up using like some heavy duty wire cutters. These didn't really work real well. Maybe you could probably bend them back and forth many times, and it probably would have worked. But my husband had some like heavy duty. They weren't like his bolt cutters, but they're like heavy duty wire cutters. Anyway, that's what I ended up using. Again, you could probably twist them back and forth, but anyway, figure out a way to get those off. If not, you could probably bend it behind it, and it probably wouldn't show too awful much if you wanted to. Or use it as making like a little stand if you didn't want to hang it. So, okay, so since we are using spray paint, I am spray painting outside. You guys have seen me spray paint out here several times. I've just got this covered, kind of a covered deck, and hold out here, that's why. And I've got cardboard down to protect the deck, but then I'm just going to give these a light coat of spray paint. We're going to let that dry. I didn't bother doing too much with the handle because I'm going to cover it in something, but there we go, let it dry. Okay, so now my pumpkin is dry, and I have taken a little bit of Dollar Tree wire. It comes in a package like this, and I have just put one up here and one down here. Now I'm going to take it outside real quick and spray paint them, but you don't have to. They'll probably be covered up with some decorations, but I am going to spray paint those real quick. So that is dried, or almost. It looks like it might be a little bit wet there, but that's okay. We're moving on. And so I am just going to take, and I'm going to hot glue. Now you can use a lot of different things. I am using the Dollar Tree nautical rope. They also have some of the wired jute cord, and then they have some just plain jute string that you see me use on a lot of things. They also have some burlap ribbon. So many things you can cover this with, or you can paint it whatever you want to do. Again, it's your project. But I'm going to go ahead and use the nautical rope. I like the thickness of it. Started, I'm going to put just a little bit of hot glue on the rope there, just to kind of hook it to itself. Okay, there we go. Now time to decorate it. So what I really wanted to decorate it with was those, you guys seen those metal signs, those metal words that Dollar Tree has? Well, if you have great, because my Dollar Tree hasn't had them, so I haven't seen them, unfortunately. So I went back and forth. Do I get something at Walmart, or do I just get not put anything? And I think what I'm going to use is this Happy Halloween sign. I think I am just going to take it and like take it apart and use it as a flat sign. I think that's what I'm going to do. Again, that's why I didn't show the material list at first, because it could change. I could just decide I like something else, right? And so, yeah, let's try that and see how it goes. I'm going to set my pumpkin to the side, and so basically to do this, I'm going to have to take this sign apart. And so take all these little pieces out here, and then I'm going to want to try to cut these because I don't want to leave like a real raw edge. So I'm going to try to either get my scissors or maybe find my X-Acto knife and try to cut that out. Let me see if I can find my X-Acto knife. If not, I have some scissors. Okay, I actually found that it actually worked just fine with scissors, so that's just what I'm going to do. I think my X-Acto knife is down at the shop building, so that is what I'm going to use. I'm not even using my real, sometimes you see me use my rose gold scissors that are really super sharp. These are just some Dollar Tree scissors, so another Dollar Tree project for the win, and they cut it just fine. I am bending it down just so you can get to it real easy. So when you're all done, this is what you have. You got this cute little Happy Halloween sign. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, in addition to that, I've got some ribbon, and I got some picks and some floral things. Again, I don't know what I'm going to use. We just take it as it goes. But I do know I'm going to make a big bow out of this Dollar Tree ribbon. Oh my gosh, the Dollar Tree ribbon, guys, is so nice this year. They have fall ones and they have Halloween ones. They have so many different ones. And anyway, I just thought this was kind of fun. I loved it. So that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so I made this quick little bow. Okay, yeah, it's not little. It's big. Anybody that knows me knows it's not going to be little. It's going to be crazy big, right? It's probably why God didn't bless me with girls, just boys, because I would have filled their heads with bows, right? Okay, so now I'm just going to hot glue it to the top of this, to my pumpkin. I got to pick up my hot glue gun. It fell down. And we kind of just manipulate it around where I want it. Okay, so once that is done, and I didn't do a bow tutorial, guys, because I'm just like the world's worst bow maker. I just like twist it around until it looks good. Like, that's just kind of how I do things. You can watch lots of YouTube tutorials on better bows than mine. So anyway, I am going to make like a little V, so I'm just going to fold it in half and cut my ribbon. I should have used my little bit of sharper scissors for that one. Anyway, so clean that up, and then we'll do the other side. Okay, so now I'm just gluing my little sign down. You could glue your sign down before or after you filled it. I'm going to fill in with some little flowers and stuff, but I thought that I would do the sign and then fill in with that. You could do it either direction. But I'm just taking that, and then I'm going to snip off some of these and just kind of place them around, see where I like them. Yeah, I think I kind of like that. Do something like that. Also could put some up here. I don't know. I've seen them all kinds of places. Oh, I do kind of like one in the middle. Look at that. That's pretty. And then maybe just play it around. So here it is. I love how it turned out. Okay, a couple things that I noticed that I should have done differently, because, you know, it is a work in progress. I went back and forth several times on which of the things should be in front. And now that I have it all together, I actually think that the one with the handle should have been in front, so you could see these bars more, because you can only really see this one. I mean, I don't know that it really makes a difference, but that's what I would do differently next time. But regardless, I am loving how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.